Zip Pay, your no-interest shopping ally, but what can you actually buy? Hey everyone! Let's face it, who doesn't love treating themselves? But sometimes, that perfect outfit or must-have gadget leaves your wallet feeling a little empty. That's where buy now pay later services like Zip Pay come in. But before you go wild on a shopping spree, you might be wondering, is there a minimum amount I can spend to use Zip Pay? The suspense is killing you, right? Well, hold your horses, or that new pair of sneakers you've been eyeing, because the answer depends on where you live. That's right, Zip Pay operates differently in different regions. So, buckle up and get ready for a global Zip Pay adventure. First stop, the land of koalas and kangaroos, Australia. If you're chilling down under, you're in luck. There's currently no minimum purchase amount for Zip Pay. Woohoo! Freedom to shop. However, there's a catch, because, well, life. For purchases under $300, you'll repay the balance at the standard minimum repayment rate outlined in your Zip Pay agreement. This usually means weekly or fortnightly installments. Think of it as tiny bites instead of a big chunk out of your wallet. Now, let's set our sights on the land of the bald eagle, the United States. Things are a little different here. Currently, in the US, there is a minimum purchase amount of $35 to use Zip Pay. But hey, at least you can grab that fancy coffee and a new book with that. Okay, Globetrotters, here's the deal. It's always best to double-check Zip Pay's website or app for the latest information on minimum purchase amounts in your specific region. Zip Pay is constantly evolving, just like your shopping needs. Beyond minimums, using Zip Pay wisely. Just because there might not be a minimum purchase amount doesn't mean you should go crazy. Zip Pay is a fantastic tool for managing your budget, but remember, it's still a form of credit. Here are some hot tips for being a Zip Pay pro. Plan your purchases, don't get caught up in impulse buys. Make a list and stick to it. Set realistic repayment plans, choose an installment schedule that fits your budget comfortably. Pay your balance on time, avoid those pesky late fees. Zip Pay can be your shopping BFF, but treat it with respect. So, there you have it. The answer to your burning Zip Pay minimum purchase question, along with some bonus wisdom to make you a responsible shopper. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.